You subscribe yet?
Johnny, you know you're not right here.
Alright, listen me tell you this, see? Me not trust you right now. Because based on where we are come from and what go on which day there, you really think if you just come meet you and everything for just fall into place?
Okay.
When you not tell me the full story of your backgrounds and all them something there, eh?
I'm glad you said that. I'm glad you acknowledged that. Me not just say that. The other day you bring me go meet your sister and me not even realize say she her arms me up and pull me ear. You know, so the other night I'm going in.
She pull
It's
your hair?
like
You mean she
because the other night I'm going in. Yes, me at all. Listen to me. The other night I'm going in and me seem like me head up on fire and that's the only explanation to it.
you're up on fire?
Yes, like it literally just I couldn't control myself. And I really think your sister got something to do with it. Because in the morning when I wake up, my mother was like, you know much people are fire? I really think your sister I mean know you know what. I know you know what.
Me know what happened. Alright, tell me something. So you try to tell me, so your mother is a what?
Johnny, me just a suspect someone I'm placing your sister in that suspect because
Alright, listen me.
you say you don't check me, don't check me.
Alright, listen me, sir. Please and answer me this question. You believe, say, my sister did you something to make your head on fire?
You believe my mother is a real woman, so why can't I?
When me come to your house, your mother see me and your mother said, Dopey. How me feel like say she has me a OBEAH walk your army or some spirit, bad energy. Me not like them vibes there.
You know some mother is a spiritual woman, right?
And that you tell me
So
no.
that's why when you came in the house and I was like, one mother of this strange behavior. I should suspect something from there. I should never enter your sister home and make she have me up so close to her and things.
So you're saying my family is bad. Remember, I was telling you at the get-go, say, me not really like certain things when I deal with me. I say them not do certain things and all that, but we need to get in that one at a different time. But for right now, I think we just need to take a little 5-minute break. We'll see it on the weekend. Today Monday, so let me check you back and just think about everything.
Why this have to be an argument, Johnny? Why we can't sit down and talk?
Yeah, we're sitting and we're talking.
This is not talking, this is having an argument.
No,
because you're going through a shade that my mother, me a through a shade that your sister, that's not having a conversation.
Alright, I, Johnny, need some time. Can I get some time? Just give me even just 2 days, we just blow off and just work out. You can do that?
Whenever the time they finish, don't come on me. I don't come.
And they say
what kind of time you need?
Just give me some. If you come on my yard and my mother said dopey here for you, you know want some time to think and just get back everything to normal.
It's cool. It's cool. You say you need the time, take all the time you want, take all a year. You don't really matter. So when that time up, you can't come here. It's all good, Johnny.
Yeah, give you time. Because right now you're upset and that's fine.
say I be a nag me. I be
Me
a
a
nag.
nag you, so me nag you now.
Of course you're nagging. You're nagging, man. I be a nag, you nag me. You know, see, you know, appreciate not when we do for you.
Of course, me appreciate what you do for me. Me not say you do nothing
Yeah,
for
but
me.
you sound like you don't appreciate not when me I do, man. Cause if you argue with me and tell me say me not on time, you don't appreciate not when me I do. Cause me have to work, you know. You think so me have to work?
Me never say enough work, but you not give me enough attention.
You know what? Me think more in the conversation. Cause me I go over go look for my mother, you know.
So you just got any conversation, so.
Yeah, but me don't want you go over there with the bag of argument, make it sound like me a bad somebody. Hmm?
Me never say you bad somebody.
Yeah, man, we can pick up this one next time, but for right now, we just
You
want.
see what me I talk about? When they have a conversation, you cut the conversation and say, oh, you go such and such place.
Alright, come over my mother, come cuss and quarrel.
Me never say me go over there with the argument. But every time me and you have a conversation, you cut it.
I mean, I say, cut it right now, we can pick you up later. Come on, and done the argument.
Alright. We're gonna cut it, we're gonna leave it right as well. Argument done. You're not gonna hear me say nothing more about it.
Alright.
Evelyn, mommy.
Spin a roll, my son, spin a roll.
Yeah, man, that good enough.
3 times, 3 times. Alright, come sit down now. Me have something to talk to you about. You know, say your sister Javia. Care man come in at my house. Now, I don't see the man, you know, but him can duck it in at my house.
When that, mommy?
The other day, me have to chase him out. Me have to cover, no matter how me try with this little girl she just nah listen.
Mommy, you know, say around 3 times I talk to JV about this at one foot near. And JV not take no talking from me. For me. She just hard ears.
Listen to me, my son. Yeah, him brother. If she not here, you don't know what to do.
What to do?
No worry yourself. Me go cover her. Me pray for her. If she not here this time me go lick her with something make him have to just sit down.
And I think that go help her, and she just stubborn.
I'm not stubborn, just stubborn. That people out there try her for her. If I never me, we have body to bury.
Mommy, you know him, man? Why can't you come over here?
Why? I don't know the man, but all people know if you're ducky. When I look for the man, all I can see is ducky. I don't know the man face, I don't even recognize him all now. I can't even read him up. Something strong over him.
You can't care about the man come here?
I can't come back here. Me put a bridge on the whole environment. When the man there try cross, something just lick him back and he don't know what. You understand?
Man, like you're powerful still, but watch you know. Someone you pray for me too, you know.
You have to know yourself, son. You know me always a cover you. Always a cover you. So me I pray for you, know, cover you. That means so when you go up on the road, nothing bad not happen to you. Nobody can touch you, nobody can harm you.
Yeah, man, mommy, more I do that because right now my money done and my last time I treat them, you know. The leads people them.
Don't worry yourself, my son, man. Mommy got you. Come here, son, my son. Let me cover you. Spin, my son, spin. Nobody shall harm me, son. Riches, my son. Anything I want in my life, I shall achieve, my son. Spin. Yeah! Nobody shall harm me, son. No weapon touch me, son. Nobody. Then my son,
Good enough.
and the morning time, my son, wash your hands. Get up and wash your hands and spin the road 3 times. And you're good.
Alright, my mother. Later, yeah?
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Girl, I tell her sorry for keep her waiting.
I said, I don't like that people here, you know.
Because I know for welcome visitor.
Well, I sweat. I bathroom I go use.
I'm not even visit. Yeah. I one of my friend them come to me other day, right? And she has said she asked me if me know no mother woman. Cause she want go to one feel like me don't know what she want go mother woman for now. She want go get some read up or something. So me I ask her if you know no mother woman near around here so.
Mine and you want mother woman, you know?
Sure. Me know my future turn already, so me don't need no mother woman.
Hello, me your friend, you know.
How much years now?
You sure don't mean you want... Alright.
My mother want to tell you as my friend.
Friend do all kind of things to people.
You don't have no for me to do something.
Hello.
Anything you have, me have it too. I want a question me ask
Here what? Me about one... So, one day... You say not good on your road down there, sir? You turn left, then you go up one hill. Now I'm upstairs and downstairs house. That's all I mean. I don't know nothing else. I don't know her name, nothing else I don't know.
So you know that? And your people talk about
Me and
it?
people talk about the girl.
You're good otherwise though.
Alright, man.
But let's do that find out or something because the lady said she want. So me call her when I go home and tell her everything want go on. Understand?
Alright.
Me not like that door where you just say.
What is good on?
But you feel like you want to do something to. Would I never do something like that?
You guilty or something?
Guilty for what?
So why your problem?
If me feel a way about something, I go talk about it. Me supposed to talk about it.
I'm your friend. Sorry for that. I just talk my mind. You understand?
You really, yeah man. That good.
I just mind me talk. No offense.
No
So
do it again though, man.
Differently ways they are going. You good doing. And that I call link over?
Yeah. The lady want to find out ASAP. So me have to call link and ask her. You know, say yeah, all the friend me have run and so I can talk to her. Ask certain question. Me can go to the road and go say, yo, you know, I'm mother woman and say, people don't feel say no one do them things or choose something.
You see? You see what me talk about?
Me understand what you say.
Okay. So you could have come on the phone to ask me that?
No. And everything you talk over phone. Sometimes you have to see people face to face to talk about it. You understand?
Okay, well, me get the direction to the lady.
And I'm give direction.
Me just give a direction.
When we go, I call the people the answer. When I go, people they turn left and then this and then this and then upstairs, downstairs.
Yeah, well, upstairs and downstairs. That's all I know. So good luck with telling the person where the place is. You know how long this is on yourself? Yes, you're going now.
But yeah, I take a rough lifestyle. And anyways, look like they beat me out of so still. I know people are their own a life live. But anyways, I'm really call you out to suffer.
Oh.
You're my husband.
What about your husband?
This man, they had no time for me. He hardly pay me attention. When he come in, it's either he go straight to him bed or he go on his phone. It's him from work to the yard and he not give me no attention. And I talk to him about it and he's like, he must shout after me. So me there say, I wonder if you have man. I told me not know no mother woman in the go there.
So wait there. So you say you left from work, come home, and a pay you no attention at all, not even a little by your side, nothing?
Nope.
I don't understand that. So wait there, you searching phone?
My man is not a cheater. When me searching phone for him not cheat for me, provide everything I want.
So what problem? Why you sit down for the wall? Why problem?
Sometimes I feel like me don't go on mother woman.
I don't hear what you say now. What you say?
Sometimes I feel like I want to go on mother woman.
What mother what?
Woman. So, why your face look like that?
Alright. Come on now. I I second somebody from week. I talk about this mother woman business. So it kinda mess with my brain one little bit.
So, oh yeah, stress funny so.
I don't stress me, I stress funny, you know. Me not stress funny, but I don't know. Yeah, it's second I can't coincidence. I don't know.
Say no when on there come in and know on them. So,
Girl, me hot. Me I get nervous. Me not understand. This I can't coincidence. No, sir. With it, no. Anyways, let's say about mother woman fam.
I want to find out if you have a man.
Well, find out if you have a man.
So how you so nervous?
Me don't know. Me just anxiety I kill me right now.
So you know none?
Me know one.
So you can give me direction.
Alright. You have to go up, you know, a long hill. You have to go up the hill. Turn left, then right, then go up. One big upstairs and downstairs house.
I think we can find the place.
Alright.
Anyways, thanks.
Yeah, man. No, sir. Me really have to go find that day. Me have to go get the mother woman there before all of them. I have to go check out that the mother woman there. Me not understand. Mother goes pimple.
Come in. Money. Where you coming from? Money, fame, wealth, riches.
That too. Alright. More ask you one question.
Come, talk fast. Time mean money mean time. Talk fast.
I don't know what make you now come. Alright, my friend, right? Me have one friend, one very, very close friend. She explained some things to me. She want to know OBEAH woman day, right? Me tell her say I only somebody me know about in the community.
Oh, so you send people to me. Money, more money. You hear me money?
Just listen now. Alright, so me now come to you now to find out some things. Me I beg you, please assist me.
Alright, money. Wash your hand. Go wash your hand. Wash your hand. Money. Wash your hand. Alright, time me money now. Money. Sit down there, son. Money there, son. $10,000 per anything you want to know. $10,000.
$10,000.
Alright, where you say you want to know now?
My friend. I want to know if somebody come to you about me. Like, if you do nothing to me.
Are we come and waste my time?
No. Just listen now. Please. Just let me know.
Nobody no come to me, so I'll have to waste to come for waste my time. Come out and place. Other people want to come. Come out and place. Come out.
Just like that, you collect me $10,000.
You not come. You waste my time.
So me can't take
no.
it back?
I might lick you with the holy fire. Come out and place.
Let me call her. So, I'm going to call her though.
Hello, sister-in-law. What happened? You know, say 3 nights ago, me a check for you. Yeah, because I did want to connect with you. But it come like some higher powers that me disconnect me from you. And that's why I call and I check for you, man. So you can come over, make me have a talk and drink. What you mean? What do you want, my brother? Alright then. We meet up some other day. Alright, sister, and later. Alright.
Madam, go
Who that?
skip. You
Come
don't
in,
remember
come in,
me?
come in, come in, come in. Wash on now. How was it? Where you come here for today?
You remember me?
Me say where you come here for today?
More my husband a cheat for me or if him have somebody
Stop
else.
this, stop this, stop this. Tell us something. You say if you come here for wealth, fame, and me run that. See I like scammer them with them big car, crown markets, and me run that. But you say if you keep your man and your front run that, no me. So come, speak up, speak up, speak up.
But just want to know if him have other woman because he not give me
Madam,
enough
stop
attention.
waste my time. See if you want to find out if your husband a cheat, go a road for that. No come here so for that. Me not do them something there. Me do wealth, fame, anything for do with money, riches. You waste my time so you have to pay up to, you know.
But we deal with that one next time when we come. Because we never come with no money for me.
So you not come with no money for you, but you come to know if your husband a cheat. Move up. Come out of my place.
But we come pay one next
Come out
time.
of my place. And fix up yourself if you want to know if your husband a cheat.
Sister,
Oi,
come here, let me talk to you for a minute then.
come, give me a minute. What do you want?
What me gonna say to you now? And something we talk about already. See, me a reason what the fact say, yo, if you leave with a certain energy. The girl tell me say, you do something to her. You do something to her?
How your girl if you tell us me do something to her? She know me what kind of person?
JV tell me say, me know you, and me know how you work. First you compel them, and after you compel them, then you get them in a few category. You just do whatever you want to do. So you can snap your finger and call them. Listen to me, sister, me I tell you, do not venture in this kind of thing with them people. You understand me I say?
Why is that?
What you mean, so why is that? You know, me go down at the yard, I go meet people. Them I say me a dopey. Me not tell you that already.
No.
And you me tell.
No.
You know me I say. All me I say to you, do
Who
not
say you're dopey?
see me girl mother. I say me a dopey. Like she know my spirit not green enough for her place. And for me that was very uncomfortable because I wonder say how something like that can ever happen. Eh? So
you forget the type of work I used to do?
yeah, but me done that. Me
Bad
quit that.
energy still there on
Yeah,
you,
but
bro.
me don't know. At some point, bad energy have to lift. You have to lift up.
Well, you
Listen,
not fully
sister,
live because me still do certain things. So you not go fully live.
So how you do it then, not true? Jesus Christ, sister. What you plan to do? You plan to mash up everything what can be a possibility of me finding. What if the girl love him for true? What gonna happen next? What you plan to do? Over riches, over money, over
But I
vanity?
just want a better life for you all of you.
So go look work. And that's what you go do.
You
Let me
must
say,
be mad. Me not look no work. You crazy?
over
What
the
way?
years, you have life easy. At times you start structure certain stuff, man. Right now, my new bank account is empty. Go invest in something, man. Find something to do.
No.
And stop the foolishness. We cannot go on so. What you want to do? A jail have to stop you? A jail? I bet some this, yo.
Oh,
Me no want to go on like me want to rat you out or go on like, but you have to stop. This thing it can't go. So I tell you, if me hear say you go call her phone, I'm assuming you take her number in that the same day then. If you call her phone or do anything, sister me here, I go at ads. I know you don't want at ads with me. You know that already.
Listen, me and your brother and sister, and me and I go there no ads. Yeah? You not do nothing to me, and me not do nothing to you.
So what that mean? So what that mean? You are going to stop then, you not going to go ahead with it and go look up? Or you going to go ahead?
Me think about it.
What you think about?
Me think about it. You go look work.
Sister, yeah, I see your business what I talk about, you know. What you plan to do? What you plan to do?
You just tell them.
Alright.
Think about it.
It's not something to think about. This you really want to go? Alright, here you are. Count me out. Count me with everything. I'm going to take a plane and leave out of this place.
You're not going nowhere.
As simple as that. I'm
You're
going
not
to
going
lift up
nowhere.
because me tell her say right now, so I'm going to take some days off, you know, but she understand, so me kind of protect her from me know say you. Oh, you work your goose up on the girl.
It's strong though, man. Right? Somebody did their backer or something.
So what, you want to fight the person who a backer? You want to find out? Alright, you hear me say, I don't tell you say, if you don't see me, you see me. Left there. So tell my brother say, me will see him some other time. We hope someone don't see him and can talk some sense to them because me know say him here say. Sister, at this here take it? You really are bringing this up? Alright. If you see me, you see me.
You need to talk to your brother yourself, because I'm not going to talk to him.
I'm an auntie, me gonna look for this one.
Your auntie?
Yeah.
So, no, up here, so you tell me, say, a lady there, a mother lady. What do you call her again? What do you call her again?
Mother Goose Pimple.
Mother Goose Pimple. You never tell me, say, auntie, that
stick up
person.
in. Me not have to you did ask about my auntie. I will be a woman you ask about. You not asking about my auntie. So
but me and your friend for a long time. You're supposed to tell me.
My auntie just moved come last week.
Last week?
Yeah. You're going like I want somebody alone live up here and hold it for house up there.
And your point is? I hope
anyway,
not touch me. I don't know where you come from. I not even know if your auntie you got to fit through. What the fuck lady you
want to come look?
Me?
Yeah.
I
Girl,
try me have
anyway.
something to deal with. Mother can't look, but me have something to deal with.
So what you are going to?
Eh? Me go for Mother Ghost Pimple. Oh, then me there go. Right now. How?
No, me just ask away. So the funny time when me direct you just know you just go up there?
Yeah. When me did go up there.
So let me ask you something now. Where you got Mother Goose Pimple go do?
Me I deal with something. Me just want to ask her some question. That's it.
Okay. Alright then.
You sure say auntie I come from there?
And my auntie me I come from girl. My auntie come from foreign and she give me this bag here.
So you can't give me something out there now?
Eh?
Only bag alone in here?
Me not have nothing in the figure right
So
now.
you can't give me something?
When the barrel come, me give you something.
When the barrel come?
Yes.
When me go get? When me go get?
Me not know yet.
Me want to know because you see, on the Jamaican people, anytime when you get barrel, you always give it to people who don't know, people who close to you, you give them nothing out there.
I am first somebody me a call later.
Alright, make sure you know.
Yeah.
Later.
Who you? Why me can't read you?
Why you want
Why
to read
me can't
me?
feel the energy?
Why you want to feel my energy?
Why me can't read up your name? Who you? Who you?
And you are a mother woman up here.
Me see who you?
You don't need to know who me. Oh. Me feel me do something 3 nights back. And me feel strong. Me just see something backfire upon me. And you do it.
Oh, so you a try to hurt my daughter?
Oh, are your daughter?
Are you a try to hurt my
Are your
daughter?
Are your daughter
Oh. What? Oh, you come off a fight? Come out of my house, no come back. No come back.
I have to come back to you. You're not done it. So here, watch me now.
I just know saw some bag you call me final.
Where they pan?
My foot them.
You know, so I like certain style where you bring though. You're my sister and show you big, you feel like say, you can't listen to what me I say, you know. But if you carry man gone to mummy yard, mummy a call me and a tell me say you carry man come our yard. And me don't know what kind of spiritual thing that the man there walk with. Because mummy says the man walk in our yard so the place just dark up.
That's the thing with you and mommy. You believe in what she do. Me don't believe in what she do. As me tell her I'm going to introduce her to one of my friends, right? And as him come, Duppy, Jesus Christ, the woman a flowing water.
So hold on, one question.
Listen to me, bro. Why you believe in what she do?
What you mean? I show you not understand. Wait till you grow big enough to understand them there's something there. And them there's something there you have to do well enough. So I don't know what you talk about.
So when mommy I call you, tell me my business for?
Because you're wrong. You're wrong. You can't carry them the people that go to mummy yard. You need to know who you choose.
Listen, it's my life and me not gonna stop talking to Johnny because you and mommy. Okay?
So you not just say your friend or your boyfriend?
No worry if I'm your friend or my boyfriend. It doesn't matter.
I don't tell you what to do, you know, but you need to choose wisely because I don't like them the people that way you carry come to mummy yard.
What wrong with them?
Help you and them turn out a road then.
Because it seems like you know something.
Mummy no want him back over there, so it's either when you go to him, you and him turn out a road.
You just need to say something you can about him.
If it's something because you know you do something wrong.
Stay out and busy, bro. Stay out and busy. Because I don't know why mommy I call you and tell you that. She just needs to humble herself because what she do is not real. She just
so what you do real?
What me I do real? So me can't meet somebody nice. But I remember the other day you told me say you see me, you know say me a small girl, you see me I go around to little lenga boy. I'ma finally drop that and this is somebody who me can really confide in and trust. And it's a problem. Why you can't just leave me and be happy? You don't just ever in a way like you want some stumbling block.
No say so, man. I do that.
No, you don't.
Just go on up. I don't tell you what I tell you, so just go on up. Because you don't like, listen, I don't like that today, so just do it.
Me nah stop talking to you because I give you money. Let me tell you that. Alright? So you don't go and fight all on the wall. It's
alright, you so get what you look for.
What me go and get? Yeah, we know.
We so know.
Stop. I don't understand what you do. I'm hearing a friend like that.
And no long me I look for you. Me I go up in your house. I realize you know up there somebody just come down back. I never leave when I back up in you.
That don't make no sense. You know why that don't make no sense? And I'm a mother you go listen to.
No.
I wonder. No, look into my eyes and tell me say I mean you. So why would I take you two exams? Why would I take you so long to realize that you was so wrong to come apologize to me?
Listen, I have to take time. I have to think.
How long you there for?
How long be there for? But just come and I leave back.
So say I go up and ask my mother how long you there, she go and tell me just come and leave.
She go tell her.
You see the look in your eye? Don't.
But just come to apologize.
We
never come to
see the look in your eye? Don't listen to no what my mother say. I mean, me know you could never come to. So why apologize now? Because since I come apologize, I'm here. Apologize now.
Oh, sorry for how we get off. Oh dear. That never called for. Are you open your feelings?
I'm going to ask my mother, you know, and she go and tell me.
Alright.
You just come. You
Yeah,
just
me
come.
just come. And I leave back because it wasn't there. Like we said before.
And this is so surprising because when me and your friend you never yet come on me yard, me always have to come on your yard. So I'm so surprised right now. That's why I know so I know me you come look for.
I could have woman call look for me, mother and a friend.
Well, my mother do work one and she and people and her friends she should then come to her. And I said don't listen to my mother say. I'm going to go ask her if you just come.
Alright then, you're free for go. See it.
Don't lie
Go
to me
ask
now because
her.
I'm going to find out. Don't lie to me.
Me look at my face.
It's alright.
Me look like me alive.
You say you just come leave it then. Because me no know me come apologize to you know. But it's all good Amanda.
My son, come check me now. Right now. Me can't even sit in the house and tap me out the gate. Ride the bike and come no. Yeah. Alright, hurry up. Why? Me there. Why? Listen. Me no really can't talk long with you this morning because me don't go somewhere for a few days. Because yes, so I get hot. You know, say you have to go jaw up JV in a hand.
How I go on again?
This, me there in me place, you understand? This woman just come in. Me can't read this woman, me don't know this woman for nowhere. Come and fling so every power against me, you know. Me have to fling it back and block him out of my place and tell him to not come back. Then she say she feels so energy through one night when she do something. And I realize I see a woman where I try to walk off of JV. You understand? So me gonna need to drop JV in a hand. Me might not have your sister. You need to protect your sister.
Mommy.
Me alone can't do it because that woman they look like she's strong.
So you really think JV gonna listen to me? And you know JV not listen to me already?
And your sister. Lick him down with something if he not listen to you.
Me? See man then come
Which man them?
No, me not
Which
touch
man
her.
them JV have?
One thing man don't carry over your daddy.
I don't that a no man.
Yeah, so you want to think on haunt me in my sleep?
Me don't tell JV to not talk to that the boy already, so JV can't chat to that the boy already. Me don't chant one spell to keep with
why you not talk to her then? Because she not going to listen to me.
Me not talk to JV not believe in what me do spoil. It's true, she not believe in what me I do. It not really work that much. You have to believe. Just like you believe in it, so you get the riches and you this and you that. JV is not that type of person. JV are hard to deal with that, you know that.
Alright, me must say you tell me to lick her down so when I open my girl Taryn she not listen.
Tell you, and your sister. Nobody can come say no for this and that. And your sister. Girt him.
But she's
and
stubborn.
pull him up in her hand. That with her, I don't know how she's so stubborn. Don't look for you.
So she don't know.
JV in her room. Because I give JV a steady talking this morning. So you know, me are going for a few days. And you and JV no left inside. None at all. Me are going for a few days, go do some certain things. Because the woman there, she too strong. And it look like he not left off a JV back. So me are going to do certain things and come back because me have to get him off of my daughter back.
Man when that chat to carry some spirit around here.
I don't know what, because only thing I could answer with the man I dope him. I can't even read the man, I just be dope me and see. I can't even read the man. You understand? So as me say,
Me there with
hurt
her.
up Javier.
Me there with
And
her.
stay here with Javier and ensure Javier don't carry a man in this place.
She can't do
Although
that once me
me
there.
put up a barrier around the house, you understand? So anybody unwanted cross here, so them get licked back out here, so them can't come in.
Yeah, mommy a powerful still, and I'm not telling a lie.
You understand?
Powerful.
Alright, my son, me have to go up on the road now, because me have to hurry up and take care of me, because me have to protect my daughter. Nobody can harm my daughter. Understand? So,
You go up on the road and come back, me go deal with something. Because something me don't deal with, but sure you call me on the appointed time. I mean, know so when you call me, that's something serious. So I'm so come back here.
alright.
Alright.
Ride safe, although nothing can do up on the road.
Alright, my mother.
Alright.
Girl, if your phone are in you. When you come off the road, that be ignore your phone. I want to you. Take your phone and answer your phone.
I don't know mood to answer no phone right now.
Want to you. Tell me want to you. When you come off the road, you ignore your phone.
Girl, I don't feel good.
You really take your phone and hang up your call?
If somebody really want me, then we call again. Know that people say?
So, the phone did a ring and it never hang up before me car come, so why you didn't answer it?
I don't know mood to talk to nobody. You gonna force me to answer me on a phone?
On your phone. Me I go back and go do what me I do.
Alright. Hello? Girl, me there, man. I not ignore me, I ignore your call. Eh. A long time I not see my auntie. Long time. About 3 months now or so. Eh. You hear say me go over Mother Goose pimple yard? Me? No girl. Not do that. Me not involved in them. There's something the OBEAH and them there's something there. Me not believe in that. Girl, me say no me. I swear to God, I know me. Me no got them the place, the girl. When me can't come bother me peace today, that's why I never want to answer nobody, you know. Girl, later, come here, tell her something, and you tell me, say people are tell her this and people are tell her that. Me say me not even know where Mother Goose people live. Me only hear about that woman there, I never see that woman a day in my life. Later.
And
Spin a roll, my son, spin a roll.
That good.
3 times, son, I told it. I go hear them talk.
Sometimes. Mommy,
My son,
let's say I go on now.
me there, man. Have a seat. Spin a roll. What me I do want him? What happened to me? What happened to she? What did you go on with him again?
Car man come here.
Oh.
Wait, I'm not take my name.
I am a go-go.
If one did up on the bed, right?
Yeah.
And action!
Who are you?
No, no laugh in your face. No laugh. You have laugh in your face. Yeah, see camera here. No laugh in your face, here. Everything serious.
When we start from who you want me can't read.
Who you? I can't feel the energy.
Yeah, you're in.
I can't read you. I don't know your name. Who you? I mean, yeah. Ready now? And action!
You just a choose, so you're good?
Where you pick up from?
Yeah, what's the story? You last thing I said to her. I don't understand what you're doing.
You subscribe yet?